Welcome back to Business with Joe. There seems to be a split in the thinking behind email marketing. Some think it's dead while others believe in it. But when you look at this startling statistic, you have to think there is still a huge future in email marketing. We believe that to build an email list is essential for any business, whether you are a bricks and mortar company, but especially if you are an online one. So we've put together 18 tips to help you build your very own email marketing list. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button so we can bring you more great videos and help you build your business. So what is an email list? An email list is a list of email addresses and other data, such as name, gender, location, which is generated by collecting data from website visitors, customers, event attendees, or those that have signed up for an ebook, etc. No matter the size of your business, prospects on an email list can prove vital in shaping the success of your marketing campaigns. Easy to track performance metrics, such as email open rate, click-through rate, and conversion rate, all relay useful information to marketers as to what they're getting right, and what needs tweaking. Before you begin to build an email list, first, think of these following steps to help build your email list. Sticking to these will help your email performance and create a more valuable email list for your business. 1. Define your email strategy. It's not just about how to build an email list, but about how you're going to use that list. Are you going to send just a monthly newsletter with company updates or frequent promotional emails? You must ask for consent for the different kinds of emails separately. Any lack of transparency will backfire. People will unsubscribe en masse and you'll be back to square one, having to build a new email list from scratch. 2. Create sign-up form. Once you know what you're going to do with the list, create the sign-up form to collect email addresses. This includes the design, copy, and necessary data fields. Think about the following: CTA and incentive for subscribers, branding, necessary information, error and success message. 3. Connect to a CRM. When creating your sign-up form, specify where you want new subscribers to be stored and managed. Usually, that's an email list in a linked CRM. You simply have to embed a link or choose a list if the CRM is already synced. From there, you can filter and prune the list and monitor performance metrics. 4. Place sign-up form strategically. After your sign-up form is ready, position it on high-traffic pages of your website to collect subscribers. Your blog homepage, exit pop-ups, headers, and footers are typically good places. To get even more eyes on your sign-up form, you can share it in your transactional emails, in social media posts, and even promote it with Facebook ads. 5. Maintain your email list. Make sure the list continues supporting your business goals. It's not just about amassing large numbers of subscribers. You want them to read your emails. Inactive or disengaged subscribers impact your metrics negatively. Inbox providers see subscribers' passivity as a bad sign and deliver fewer of your emails as a way of protecting their users. With only engaged contacts on your list, your deliverability and email newsletter performance will go up. So here are 18 tried and true list building ideas. 1. Create a great incentive. The best reason anyone will give up their email address is that they want what you're offering. What's something your customers want? And, how does it tie into what you're selling? Maybe it's an ebook about how to do something or a mind-blowing diet plan that will help the potential customer. Every successful list building tactic starts with creating something your customer values. Without a lead magnet, there's no lead generation. 2. Have an email sign-up form in your sidebar. Once you've created your fantastic incentive, you need a way to let your potential email subscribers know about it and a way to opt in and receive it. That's the purpose of the email sign-up form. It advertises the incentive, gives people a way to sign up, and connects to your email delivery service to deliver the incentive. 3. Have an exit intent pop-up. While a lot of people don't like them, pop-up windows are effective for building lists and increasing conversion rates. Studies have shown that on average, pop-ups have a conversion rate of 11.09%, with the top 10% converting at around 42%. While these stats are mouthwatering on their own, you need to be careful with your use of pop-ups and consider Google's interstitial ad guidelines. If you don't, you risk a penalty. 4. Use the right words. Make sure visitors see the value of your incentive across your email opt-in forms. Whether you're offering a discount coupon or a downloadable template, be clear about its value. Most of the time, this means paying special attention to the copy of your sign-up forms. Experiment with CTA copy like subscribe, download, get my ebook to see which performs better. You can even make this part of your list building strategy, trying out different graphics and language. 5. Have an opt-in bar at the top of your website. Having an opt-in bar show up at the top of your visitor's browser window makes it easy for them to spot. It's typically done via a plugin that you install on your website. If you have an email opt-in bar, a sidebar opt-in, and an exit pop-up, you're in a great place to increase your subscriber count. 6. Add a sign-up to your email signature. If you send dozens of emails a day, it's likely some of those people would love to be a subscriber. When you add a subscriber link to your email signature, you make it easy for them to see and sign up. 7. Create a landing page on your website. The purpose of a landing page is to send people to land on it. For example, if you do podcasts or you do webinars, you can mention your incentive and send people to your landing page to sign up. This will be easier than sending them to your homepage where they have to find your sign-up form on their own. 8. Have a strong call to action, CTA. If you write a blog post on the same topic as your opt-in incentive, you can mention it in the post and have a link to the opt-in form. Just make sure you mention the value in the CTA. Again, tell visitors why they should subscribe. 9. Upgrade your content. If you invest the time in content marketing, why not use it for list building? When you write a detailed blog post, create a case study or cheat sheet at the same time to help your readers get even more value. Then, include a special sign-up form dedicated to that piece of content and include it within your blog post and promote it on social media channels. 10. Offer content upgrades. A content upgrade, also referred to as a lead magnet, is a gated piece of content a business can offer to their website visitors in exchange for their email address. In e-commerce, this can be everything from exclusive access to members-only sale to actual gated pieces of written content, such as guides, catalogs, and more. 11. Promote sign-up on social media profiles. You should always include a subscribe for more content call to action in your bio. That way, every time someone checks out your bio, you have the opportunity to gain a new subscriber. Did you know Facebook lets you embed a sign-up form as an additional tab on your profile? What's more, use the header images on social platforms to promote the sign-up and incentive. A branded header image with a CTA will help your list grow. 12. Use quizzes or gamification. How can you incorporate a quiz into what you sell? Gamification in list building is the process of applying interactive elements of game playing to encourage engagement with the lead capture form. Some examples of gamification include quizzes, tests, surveys, spin to win, aka Wheel of Fortune, pop-ups, and scratch cards. People love taking fun quizzes and they'll sign up to get the results. Plus, the additional insights you gather from a willing audience will help you with segmentation later on when you tailor your content to their interests. 13. Conduct a survey. An interactive survey will give you ideas and material for future marketing campaigns. Then, you can publish your survey findings and share them with your readers. This builds your authority, increases shares, click-through rates, and backlinks, which in turn attracts more readers and visitors. 14. Use QR codes. QR codes are a convenient way to bridge the gap between offline and online and grow your email list. If you do printed material, then include one or at your physical location or at an event to drive visitors to your website. Any sign-up form can become a scannable QR code for easy sharing. 15. Create useful and engaging social media posts. If people feel inclined to reply to an engaging post you have created, then you can send them a message with a link to sign up for the thing you mentioned. Giveaways are done with the same purpose of referrals. 16. Include opt-in fields at checkout. Most online shoppers have come to expect checkouts to take personal information. When making a purchase, all of us feel more secure if we receive a confirmation of our order by text or email, and we feel more assured knowing the business has some way of updating us on the order progress. As shoppers are already familiar with entering their information in a secure checkout environment, including an option to join an email list is a non-invasive way to encourage mailing list subscriptions. 17. Use loyalty and referral programs. Customer loyalty and referral programs can also help when growing your email list from scratch. Programs that offer rewards can encourage brand new subscribers as well as nudge existing subscribers to upgrade, generating more lifetime value. Loyalty programs. Loyalty programs are a great way to build your email list and drive repeat purchases. According to Technology Advice, people are more inclined to shop with stores that offer a loyalty or rewards program. 18. Offer a free trial. If your product lends itself to a free trial, then invite people to sign up to see how it works. We hope some of these tips will help you grow your email list. If you've used any other ways, then please leave a comment below. That's it from Business with Joe. Have a great business week.